Well, I'd like to welcome everybody again to the 2011 Team LiveStrong Challenge Philadelphia. How are you feeling this morning?
I've been in remission since I've been doing this bike race, so I think it's a good thing for cancer survivors to be involved in.
It's incredible. I met 6,000 people the first year here because I was the guy that told them to stop and walk their bikes. So everybody that came across the finish line I got to say hello to. And almost every one of them thanked me, and that's pretty incredible.
LiveStrong and Lance Armstrong Foundation are strong supporters of the work we do, both at Penn and the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, and it's great to be out here.
I do cancer research. I'm riding here today to support cancer research. We're getting ahead of this disease right now. We're on the move. Thank you.
The LiveStrong program at Penn really focuses on clinical care, research, and education. Participating in this event, for me, pulls the whole thing together. We have many patients that we see throughout the year participating here, either as riders, walkers, or as volunteers at the rest stop. And it's, you really get swept up in the event, and I think it really increases your visibility in the community, our visibility in the community, and also heightens people's sensitivity to see their clinicians out here and people that they see in the hospital under very different circumstances, volunteering and being available to them in an event like this.
Hey, I want to thank all of you all for coming out. I am a cancer survivor in the middle of my second fight right now, and it's a fight, but I am overjoyed, honored, and humbled to be fighting that fight with all of us, all of you. It's a great fight.
Things are going great. We're able to fulfill our mission. We're able to help others. When I step back from that and I realize the only day that I can really say that this is going great is the day that we don't need to be here anymore.
Are we ready to show cancer who is boss? Let's start the countdown then. Do it with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team Penn Medicine and Children's Hospital of Philadelphia's got over 70 members out here today.
This race means quite a bit to me because when I was going through treatment, I was so weak I couldn't even walk. So for me to even participate in this race is an amazing challenge for me. I really didn't expect that I could make it, but here I am year after year coming into this race.
This is my 6th year in a challenge. I participated every year that we've had it, and I like coming here because I meet a lot of people that share their stories with me and their experiences being current cancer patients and actually fighting the battle and winning. And I've made a lot of lifelong friends as a result of participating in the LiveStrong Challenge.
Survivorship to me is just being blessed to be able to get up every day and go on with my life and help all the other cancer patients out there. Oh, I think volunteering is the best thing that I can do to help everybody out there with cancer, going through cancer. And if I can do anything, I will always be there for everybody else.
I have to say I'm really inspired by all the writers and all the people here, and as a physician who is really dedicating my career to the cancer survivorship, I find you know, it's very uplifting to be part of this great effort to raise money to really promote cancer survivorship research and clinical care. I have to say I'll be back every year. It's really wonderful to be working with people that you see at work, but you just function at a very professional level. But here you really interact in a much more social level, and this is really about doing for a good cause and really having a great deal of fun at the same time.
This is my 5th year doing this, and the reason I keep coming back is because I think I get as much or more out of it than the riders who I help work on. It's way cool when somebody looks for me and says, hey, I remember you from last year and you really helped me, and here I am again. And I think one of the best comments I ever got was somebody who stopped me last year and said he couldn't have finished his ride without my help, which is heartwarming.
For me, it's all about giving back. It's, you know, I'd much rather be out raising money for cancer than receiving money for cancer, so just made sure that every year I'm going to be out here and doing something for it. The Live Strong ride is a great opportunity to do that.
And it's great to be with thousands of other people who are on the same mission. Yeah. So it's an amazing day.
My brother-in-law, Michael Goldberg, is a two-time cancer survivor. He had sinus cancer and he had brain cancer, and he's fortunately he's a 10-year survivor. So every chance we get, we try to support him and you know, the cause.
I think it's important that we live what we speak, that we not only say we're committed to the issues of cancer survivors, but we show that with our actions. And I'm always so impressed year after year with the individuals, survivors, family members of survivors, people who are affected by cancer in some other way. It is the majority of individuals now who have someone in their lives who have been affected by cancer, who are out there themselves biking 40, 70, 100 miles to raise money and show their commitment. And I think it's important that we, as clinicians and researchers as well, show our commitment with our actions as well, and to support and cheer on and offer our thanks for those who are helping in this effort.
I think the Live Strong Challenge is an annual event where cancer survivors, patients, caregivers, physicians, people of every stripe who are somehow involved in the challenge of cancer come together in a really positive way. And it's so empowering and it's so inspiring and it's so just fun to actually meet other people who are going through the same thing as you are, but also we're out there and having a good time, and people are supporting each other and giving each other the high five, and it's just a really fun event in sometimes in a treatment cycle that may not have a lot of fun.